sorry guys. I accidentally ended it. Oh, this is... I'm still on the boost thing. But that tornado thing was sick too. But I have no clue what that actually did. That just messed up everything. My eyes still shrink tears. Oh, did you see that box? Let's hurry. Okay, where's that box? Grab. That was the worst grab ever. Oh, completed. Come on. Come on. Oh, one of those again. Sure, I'll take one of those. Yep, got that. Please. No. No, we haven't got that. It's too fat. It's too fat. Hurry! Okay. I think that's... No! I've got 0 coins. We've got a boost.